It is not just Lajna members who are making sacrifices for the sake of their faith. Even young Nasrat are setting an example for others in this regard. For example, in Bangladesh, there is a village where there are just a handful of Ahmadis, and they have been subjected to intense persecution and have suffered every type of social boycott and pressure. Even a 10-year-old Ahmadi girl in year 4 at school was not spared from these cruelties. Whilst at school, her teachers told her that her father was now a Christian and that he was destined for hell. They cursed and abused him in front of this little girl. They also tried to influence her by promising her a beautiful home and the best food and schooling if she separated from her father. Upon this, the little girl remained strong and said, "My father cannot be hell-bound, because he is regular in namaz, and neither can he be a Christian, as Christians do not perform namaz." She said, "I will never leave my Jamaat." Then she said, "I will never leave my Jamaat or my father, no matter what you offer me. In fact, after seeing the example of my father, my belief in Ahmadiyyat is even stronger." This story was narrated by the father of the girl himself, and as he told this story, he broke down in tears as he recalled the pious example of his daughter.